Okay, in this tutorial, what we're going to do is create the costing schedule for your sample vehicle. In order to do this, you need to download the costing schedule template, which is an Excel document in Teams that looks like this here. You also need to download the engineering material prices PDF in Teams, which is this one. And you may also need your own parts list, so the one that you've generated. Now, if you still can't produce your own one, you can use the tutorial drawings parts list here. I'll show you what that looked like. That was this document at the back. You should be able to use your own one, though. If you've created the first part of this, you should be able to use your own one. So what we're going to do here, the mission of this is we want to find out how much do we need to order in total for our vehicle. So we're going to kind of edit and work in this document a little bit, and we're going to use our calculator. So what we need to do in here first is figure out what materials are we going to be using for our vehicle. Now, as you can see in this drawing here, all the materials are the same size except for the roll bar. It's all 20 by 20 by 2 RHS, or hollow square tubing. So we need to figure out what's the total quantity of that required. So in our parts list, let's find everything that's 20 by 20 by 2. So that's all these parts here except for number 14. Number 14 is the roll bar. And I need to add up what's the total order quantity for all of those as a whole. So I want to figure out what is all of these ones plus this. So I need to add those all up. And I'm going to put that over here in my costing schedule. So let's go ahead and use our calculator. So I'm going to add them up. 4,300 plus 1,840 plus 640 plus 780. So keep adding up all your materials. Okay, don't forget the bottom one. So in total, I need 17,587.76 millimeters of 20 by 20 by 2 RHS. So we'll convert that to meters. So if you use the divide and you divide it by 1,000, that's we'll round it up, 17.6 meters. So I'll put it in here, 17.6. Okay. Now the cost per meter, we need to look back on our cost sheet. So RHS and 20 by 20 by 1.6, you'll see it's not quite the same material, but the cost is $2.75 per meter. So I'm going to plug that in. Okay, now the total cost is equal to the order quantity times the cost per meter. So I can use equal, pick this column, shift and the multiply sign, times this column. So the cost is $48.04. Now I can also do that in here. So I can also do 17.6 times 2.75, so $2.75. So $48.40. Okay. Now at the bottom here, I do need to add. I'm going to make sure that this says total cost. Okay, and I'm going to give a sum of the cost at the end. Now next up, you need to work out the tubing. So let's look back at our vehicle. So let's find out what part. So part number 14 here is our round tubing. So what I'm going to do here is add in. So we need, clear that. Sure what's going on in this thing. All right, so we need 1,503.88 millimeters times 2. So there's 2 roll bars. So we need 3, and let's divide that by 1,000, because remember there's 1,000 millimeters per meter. So we need basically 3 meters worth of material for this project. So we're going to put 3 in here, and the cost per meter is equal to, see, pipe 20 by 20 XL galv. We can use that one. That's close enough. So that's going to be $3.11 per meter. And so our cost is going to be equal to 3 meters times $3.11 per meter. So $9.33. Our total cost is going to be equal to this one plus this one. And that's complete. So our vehicle will cost $57.73 to produce this car here. It's not too expensive when you think about it. So when you're done with the costing schedule, you can add in bolts, nuts, all the other parts to your car if you'd like to. But for this task, you just need to add in these 2 components here. So when you're done, make sure you save a copy. Okay, and make sure you save it into your folder and you submit under Teams.